Hello friends. This video is about our digital marketing training program. We will be talking about 60 sessions of digital marketing training. 2 projects and assignments help to become an expert in the digital marketing domain. We are Passe WebScript, an IT startup and training hub for youth. We design software to Android apps, portals to websites, and provide all digital marketing services. In addition, we provided training into various domains and placed and trained more than 5,000 plus students in HR, digital marketing, web design, development, and Android. We believe and practice practical working approach for our online and in-office training. This digital marketing training is designed specifically for job-oriented youth, beginner in the digital marketing field, any UG or PG students, entrepreneur and enthusiastic. It has 60 seminars with 2 digital marketing, project and performance-based stipends and 5 assignments. 1. We start with a brief introduction of digital marketing and marketing concepts and best practices. 2. We will then learn about website designing and blog creation in HTML, WordPress with CSS concepts and live projects. 3. Then we will study creating posts, graphics, videos for various social media platforms with the help of various software like Canva, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop, Filmora Video Editor, Adobe Premiere Pro, KineMaster Video Editor. 4. This then follows by how content is developed for various clients as per their needs and different strategies of digital marketing. 5. A brief about SEO, SMM, PPC, bulk email, and practical implementation of all in the various campaigns. Google AdWord advertisement, on-page and off-page SEO, pay-per-click campaign. 6. This will be then analyzed in Google AdSense, Google Analytics with Google Trends, marketing concepts. 7. To boost the career in digital marketing, we will be doing affiliate marketing in Amazon and local markets. We will learn about social media and networking tricks. This will sum up with the most important topic, that is freelancing as a career, where we will learn to process of client handling, budgeting the project to the client, lead generation, establishment your own digital marketing agency or business. So, hurry up. Join our online or in-office digital marketing training seminar. Contact on WhatsApp 989-322-2186. For more details, visit our office.